So a good patient success story is one where the patient not only gets good medical care but feels supported. We had an opportunity for our RN to go out and see a patient and show how to start insulin, which was an absolutely necessary part of his daily regimen for his diabetes. This gentleman, unfortunately, had lost his wife, was struggling with some depression and some grief, very understandably so. So when Colleen went out to show him how to use his medication, there was also a real bond that developed there. He stopped and showed her pictures of his wife in their photo album while she showed him how to use his medication. So there's this level of support that he would not have gotten in other systems that I could not have provided in any way, but the resources that Hopscotch allows us to have allowed him to not only get the appropriate level of medical care, but to feel supported as a human.